Good morning from the Grand Sierra Resorts RV Park. You know, we've been in Vegas so long I haven't done a review of a park in a really long time. It's kind of weird. And this park's interesting. So obviously you've got the hotel and casino right there, which is always handy if you're traveling with friends and family that don't have, you know, RVs. Spaces are large. We have a corner spot here and lots of room. We could have actually had like 2 cars here if we needed to. I'm going to assume those are some bathroom facilities. Obviously we're set. We don't need to use that stuff. Little security patrol rolling around, probably telling us to get out, but I did give them a call. It's just started getting smoky. Apparently there's a fire by Yosemite, but here we are at the Grand Sierra Resort RV Park. There's even a little bit of shade. This is your office check-in right there. It's big. This is where you pull in and set yourself up. All the amenities are over at the resort, and you do pay a resort fee. It's the same as at the hotel for use of their facilities. So, I mean, it's, you know, it's basic. It's your RV park for people who are going to use the casino facilities. It's pretty large. Oh, Kevin's got us running. It's time to go. All right, I didn't even realize that the park went this far around. It's huge. Not cheap. It's not cheap. I want to say it's like $100 a night because of the resort fees. But it was nice. It felt safe. Let's see. We'll go see what this is. Clearly, it's not full. So if you need a place to stay because you're coming through northern Nevada, you can check out Grand Sierra. I will tell you this: the food was good. I went to the Mexican joint, had this Baja shrimp Caesar. I mean, it was pretty good. Yes, those are bathroom facilities. Because these people are in long terms. See you at the freeway. It's under the airport. There is a phone number in the brochure for a ride. And the other night when we were in the casino having a great time with our friends, security gave us a ride home. So I will tell you this, the speed bumps here, oh my gosh, huge. Figured I'd take you guys up here and show you how close it is. So this is where we walked. The pool's right there. You walk around the casino, and then this is the check-in. So they are very, very nice and helpful in there. And we stayed on spot 418 right there. And there's restrooms around the corner. This little... Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. How about you?
Doing great. On to the next stop.